Welcome back to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Man, oh man, did we have an amazing day in the market. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is definitely not the channel for you. Now, if you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, or you want to learn how to become financially free, then make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Do me a favor, hit that like button. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Let's talk about it. Now, I said this morning that I was looking for the market to continue down. I was looking for the SPY to test that 394 level, and that if we broke below that, we'd probably see the S&P start to crumble down. Now, I also called out some levels on Bitcoin. I said if we seen Bitcoin break under 21.3, that we could be looking for that next leg down in crypto. We smashed through all that. The market absolutely tumbled today. We ended up with the SPY down 1.85%, Dow Jones down 1.66%, and the NASDAQ down a whopping 2.05%. And then on top of that, we got Bitcoin down over 6%. We got Ethereum down 6%, Solana down 6%. Oh, the list goes on. Just absolutely crushed the market today, which is what I was calling for. I said that we might have another chance to get into the UVXY today. The UVXY, absolutely. The market was actually greening up this morning. Going a little bit against what I'd said. It was getting pretty green. UVXY coming down. You know, I couldn't resist. I actually picked some up for a trade in my trading account, as well as over in the other account where we're going to be doing the covered calls and stuff at. So, picked up a bunch of those down at $4.40. An amazing price, I thought, and run those all the way up over $5 today. Now, the ones that we got over there in the account, I sold some $5 calls on those. They've not been executed because those contracts are worth a fortune right now. So we'll see if I end up getting assigned on those. If I do, fine. I'm well under 450. I think we're at 447 average over there. So I'll take 53 cents a share plus the premium that we got selling the calls. Absolutely all day long. I've got about half of the stocks sold at the $5 strike. The other half sold at the $5.50 strike. So I'll be really happy getting, 53 to $1.03 a share on those stocks plus the premium. Absolutely, I'll take that all day long. And then the stocks that we bought today, run those up. When they got to 510, I sold them. I was like, dang, up 70 cents on the day in my trading account. I was absolutely ecstatic about that. Not to mention, because we had crypto coming down, because we had the stock market coming down, we had Coinbase come down. Now, if you remember, we bought some put options last week, bought them about a month out of the money, or out on expiration, picked up the 59s and the 62s. 59s are just getting back to where they're about break even, but the $62 strikes, they were up nicely today. I ended up selling those. We picked those up at $6.25, which was $625 a contract. Sold those at $7.75. That represented a 20.1% gain on that trade. Super excited. If we see Coinbase come down a little bit more, I know those 59s will be in the money tomorrow. At the very least, they're back up to about break even on it. So I couldn't be any happier. Just an amazing move in the market today in just the right direction and at just the right time. I mean, we've been loading up now since last week. We've been loading up on the UVXY. I've been calling that out. We've been systematically buying it as it dropped. We've even made one little trade on it when I bought it down at 440 earlier in the week. We traded it. We made about 20 cents on that. That was really nice. But this was even better. Like I said, really knocked it out of the park on that trade. And couple that with our put options that we had bought, and couple that with the premiums that I've already sold on the UVXY and the way it's running up, just absolutely amazing. I hope you've been following along on this journey. I hope you get in over at the Discord. I know some people have just been kind of waiting it out. I'm sorry, at the Patreon. I know some people have been waiting it out. I'm going to be doing some giveaways. I did not create this Patreon to make an income for me. All the money that goes into this Patreon, and it is bare bones, people. We're talking about $5 a month to be a part of this, to get this information and to see exactly what I'm doing. And more importantly, all that income is going back to you each and every month as part of my Investor Jumpstart program. We're going to be giving away thousands of dollars a month, and I think right now everyone's voting for, they want $1,000 winners. So we're going to be giving away to about 10 winners a month. As soon as we get that one of the threshold met, we're going to keep growing that Patreon. The bigger it gets, the more winners we're going to have. And this is to help you get started in investing. If you say, I don't have any money to invest, there's $1,000 if you're one of the winners, just to get started right there. And you say, what can you do with $1,000? I'm here to tell you, I started 3 years ago with $900 trading. That is what I started my trading journey with, and I've grown it into what I have now, and I could not be happier. It is so nice not to have to work, not to have to worry about being able to pay bills or anything else. To be financially free is the greatest feeling, I think. Apart from my kids being born and getting married, being financially free is the greatest feeling that I believe you can have. So I want you to be a part of that. Join me on this journey. Become part of this. Join us over at the Patreon. You can get in on the link below, or you can go to tradebynumbers.org. There's a link in the website there to get on the Investors Jumpstart program. Let's get over there. Let's get making some money. I got some money to give away, and it might as well be you. So until next time, be blessed, and join me tomorrow. Till then, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.